I'm in China right now, yeah? How can my dinner cost me £1.50?
What can $1 buy in China? 5 onions.
Man,
1 cabbage. No, 7.
Look here, like this clothes and $1. $1.
They say nothing in this world is free, but somehow everything made in China feels close to it. Phones, clothes, electronics, toys, all cheaper than any country can compete with.
Craziest things about China is the price of their Ubers. So obviously Uber
So
is
what's the
banned.
truth? Why are Chinese goods so cheap? How do they make money from it? And what does any of this have to do with Africa? It all began in the 1980s when China opened its doors and whispers to the global corporations, "Come here and we will make your costs disappear." The giants came running. Apple, Tesla, Nike, McDonald's, all of them wanting a pie of the Chinese promise. Their cheap labor, endless shifts, total obedience to foreign companies, and all along it looked like paradise, right? Right? Well, it turns out while Chinese was playing chess, the world was playing checkers. Take Tesla. In 2013, it supplies 80% of electric cars in China. 5 years later, Chinese competitors began to rise. 10 years later, they weren't just competing in China. China was competing globally. This wasn't luck. It was a strategy, a blueprint China perfected. And now, China is preparing to use that blueprint again on a scale the world isn't ready for. China doesn't just manufacture products. China manufactures everything around the product too. Most countries build one part. China builds the entire chain. The screws, the plastic, the circuit boards, the chemicals, the machines that build the machines, and even the factories that build other factories. All of it made inside China. When everything is created in one place, everything becomes cheap. No imports, no delay, no middleman, just pure industrial efficiency. Today, 28% of everything around the world is manufactured from one country. Your phone, China. Your laptop, China. Your shirt, China. Your nose, almost definitely China. Cheap wasn't an accident. It was a strategy that changed global power forever. But that power comes with a cost. The world wanted cheap products. China delivered them. But nothing in global economy is ever truly cheap. Someone, somewhere, always pays the real price. And in this story, that someone is Africa.
They have destroyed my future now. Because I'm saying buy new shoe and I say
Because while Chinese become the world's factory, Africa becomes its fuel tank. The cobalt in your phone, the gold in your circuit board, the oil in your plastics, the rare earth minerals powering your battery, most of them come from deep beneath African soil. While the West argue over politics and aid packages, Chinese quietly move in, not with guns, but with contracts, loans, roads, and promises. They built highways, bridges, ports, and studios, not out of generosity, but out of strategy. The world asked for cheap products. China delivered. But in the long run, we may find that the cheap price tag was the most expensive power grab we ever witnessed.